Chapter 1.1 Representing Algorithms, Lesson Part Understand and Explain the Term Decomposition. In this video, we will talk about decomposition, which is on page 17. Let's start. What is computational thinking? Computational thinking involves applying a set of problem-solving skills and techniques that are used by computer programmers. And the computer programmers use it in order to write programs. Okay, now let's see the techniques of computational thinking. We have decomposition and we have abstraction. Let's start with the decomposition. What is decomposition? Decomposition is breaking any given task or problem into simple logical steps or parts. Look at this picture to see how the decomposition technique is explained. So first of all, we have the problem, and then we broke the problem down into three parts. Approach to part of the problem. Then, in every problem, we have specific steps. These specific steps will help us to solve the problem. So we make it simple, then we solve it. So this image shows us how to break down a problem through the decomposition way. Okay, now let's see this example together in order to understand better. When a chef writes a recipe for a meal, so that means the chef is writing a set of instructions that others can then follow to replicate the meal. So they can replicate the meal by reading the instructions and following them step by step. Now we have finished decomposition.